Good morning, everyone. Alice here from Vancouver Financial Network. Today is November 27th, 2021. We are going to review NASDAQ, S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Russell 2000, the four most important indexes in US market. All right, let's go to chart, see what chart tells us. Okay, as we get started, this is S&P 500, and as you see here, we just pointed out this level as like a major resistance, and there you go. Like after 4 weeks consecutive attack to this level, cannot close any weekly close above this of 4,700, and price just goes back down as we expected. If you see my video, which is the link here, you see that we expected this downside, and we have some levels for the downside as we are getting to the support area, but still too soon. And as you see, the selling pressure was pretty high, and basically in weeks that we are ending to any holidays, those weeks are very positive. At least it is neutral. But this week was exceptional as we are getting to the latter part of the November. And if you just follow up my channel, I told you guys every single time, don't buy if you want to just get into the hype. So stay with your current stocks. Don't get any new position because we are getting to a major sizable correction. And there you go, we are experiencing a major sizable correction. And this is kind of like intermediate top for S&P 500. However, the bull run is not over. I know that lots of folks actually talking about a bull runs are going to be over. No, we are not. We are getting to this area. And if we are getting to smaller time frame, which is daily time frame, this is the level that I was expecting, and I just drafted for you guys. Just pointed in the last video. Again, the link is here, so you can just click on that, see my previous video. But anyway, so we are getting to this line, and that line cannot act as a support. It acts as a resistance, hitting a couple of times and then going back up with a very massive bullish. Bearish engulfing candle, which closed all of like it's going back to here to October 29th, which almost engulf the monthly candle for the November. And if we go to monthly candle monthly chart, so we are seeing we just close out below our open, which is here. And this is very tricky because we can't go down here. However, again, going back to daily chart, I want to show you something interesting and pretty neat. So we are getting down to 4,500. I'm expecting prices going down to 44 to 44.80. This is my ultimate target as like a 5-way structure of ABCD correction, and that is going to be end of the corrective spike, I assume, for now. If anything changes down the road, I will let you know. But we are getting to this level. That is going to be a great buying opportunity. Still, we have almost like 120 points downside target. And if we are getting here again, so look at this box. This box is 44.41 to 44.86. And probably we are going down, stretched down. I don't know if it is going to be a target. I had like lots of short position. Still, I'm on it. I will look at to just close it. Not here, just somewhere here. And I'm waiting for price to form the bottom here, somewhere around this area. Because after that, I'm expecting prices going all the way up to 4,900, which is going to be 500 point at least for now. All right, so even 5,000 and more for the next year. But right now, we are not at the top. I know that lots of folks are talking about the COVID variant and those stuff, which is fantastic opportunity for us because myself and lots of my members, we didn't get emotional even with this hype, right? So we didn't get emotional, and we were waiting, and now we are just paying back by our patience, just because we are getting to lots of opportunity. I'm gonna post lots of good stocks that is in my watch list in my VFN investing channel. If you want to join us, just please go to the VFN Vancouver Financial Network, and you can see the information there, how you can register and how you can take the benefit of our watch list. But for S&P 500, we are looking for another spike down, probably the same size here down there, and that's going to be 5 to 7% correction from the top, and that should be enough. That should satisfy the correction move. And for now, again, I'm not expecting this swing low on September, October takeout, just because this low is kind of very, very strong, and if it changes, I would let you know, right? Okay, so let's go to NASDAQ, which is another index that is very, very important. And as you see, monthly candle, NASDAQ goes exactly the level that we point out, and I just pointed out to my subscribers, and everyone knows that we are hitting to the high for a monthly candle, and there we are just hitting pretty close to that one, not exactly 16,792, but we were pretty close. And look at this shooting star on the top, and I'm expecting prices going down. The maximum downside, I'm not sure if we're getting there, but the maximum downside for the NASDAQ is going to be 14,571 or somewhere around that area. But I'm looking for, to be honest, 15,287. That's going to be maximum downside for the NASDAQ based on the monthly chart. And let's go to smaller time frame, which is daily. Sorry, this is 4 hours. Let's go smaller time frame, which is daily. So daily, we have a good support here around this area. The good part for NASDAQ is we are still above 16,028. So 16,028, which is pretty important level for NASDAQ. If you break down even a daily close below 1628 or 16,000, I would say that's going to be head and shoulder triggers to the downside. And the maximum downside for that one is 15,277, which is 15,250. I just told my members. And the upper side of this area is going to be 50,500 or 50,418. So that's going to be maximum downside for the NASDAQ. All right. So be careful on that. Don't get involved with just a 1 or 2 days correction. We are expecting more downside, especially for the S&P 500. We just traded 122 million shares on SPY, which is going to be S&P 500 ETF. And if you follow me, that is very, very good number, especially on the top, especially with that wide range bar candle. That is reversal with a good volume. It just gives us a more downside signal. All right, so just be careful on that. Don't get emotional. We are patient, and we are still patient for more downside to get involved with good quality stocks. Let's go to Dow Jones Industrial. Dow Jones just slaughtered. You see, this is daily chart for Dow Jones. This one is slaughtered, and to be honest, this is very, very sharp decline. And I'm just thinking of that lots of people are talking about this level. Like this is the good level, but I'm not sure again if we are getting out of this area. So this area is pretty important, but look at this area like 34,000, which is 300 more downside for Dow Jones Industrial. And if we are getting there, that's going to be very, very significant support for that one. That's going to be first index is coming to this support area. So we should definitely have a look on it to see how this one reacts to this level. But basically, we are going down. If we break down this one, even we take this one out, we are still having lots of support here Well, this one is pretty important just because we are at the top of this a breakout. All right, so this is 32,500. Still, it is early to call that one, but even if we just get 3 more downsides, it's easy to get here. Okay, so this is going to be flash crash, and that flash crash actually is going to be ended soon, even if we get that one. I'm not sure if we continue that one. COVID variant news is spread out everywhere. Like, now Europe is getting involved, Asia is getting involved, probably in Canada we are getting involved as well. So it's coming to the news, and again we have Sunday as well. This is today's Saturday, so we have Sunday as well. So news coming, bad news coming as well. I'm sure that in Asian market, when it opens on a futures market, is going to open on Sunday afternoon PST time. Then it's going to be very, very bloody. All right, so I'm not expecting any bounce, any significant bounce next week, especially early next week, probably latter part of next week. We are getting bounce, but again, I'm looking for sizable correction to get to my level. Then I'm going to look at buying more stocks. All right, so the last one is going to be Russell 2000. Russell 2000 had like this is monthly chart. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, monthly chart gives me a buying opportunity, but it fails because we are heading to resistance here to 2044, 2444, and that is a resistance. 2361, another resistance here. So we are getting to that one and just reject that. However, we are still in this consolidation, and if we don't take this low out, so still it is not dramatic for the monthly chart, right? So especially for the monthly chart, we are at a good level. So probably we are going to test back here this area. Probably, I'm not sure. If we test back here, that's going to be a very, very buying opportunity, I would say, at least for now. And daily chart tells me we are at oversold condition for sure. And even if we stretched out this one, so we are getting pretty close to the support area. So look at this area. This is very, very good area for support. Even we stretch down to here, probably here. So we are going to see a bounce probably here from this area. Or if we are getting more consolidation here, that's going to be bearish consolidation, and we are just going down probably to here. I'm not sure if we are getting below 2000, to be honest. For Russell 2000, the maximum downside that I'm assuming is more 5% or 7%. That's it. That is sizable correction for lots of stocks, but for index itself, it's going to be 5 to 7%, and that's it for now. Even if something changes, I will let you know. But this breakout fails for now. All right, so we can take this one out. This breakout fails for now, and we should wait for more price action to confirm that still buying is going to be prudent action. Okay, so if you like our videos, please give us thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Please go to my Telegram channel, which is Vancouver Financial Network. Lots of good stuff there. Even if you are interested to know more about like what is in my watch list, and when I buy, when I sell by myself, I'm just giving a heads up to my subscribers. Go to Vancouver Financial Network. There's going to be a Black Friday deal as well, so you can just register on that and just take benefit of this deal. This is going to be very solid. Okay, have a good one, everyone. Stay safe and healthy. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.